Ettlingen is a city south of Karlsruhe in Baden-Württemberg and is the second largest city in the district of Karlsruhe. The town itself is crossed by the river Alb, which flows through the center and brings out a picturesque view. Since 1st January 1966, Ettlingen became a large district town. The place is known in the past for its paper mills. In addition, a special feature are the many 17th century half-timbered houses, which exude a unique charm. As a destination, Ettlingen is definitely worth a visit and offers many exciting possibilities for tourists. The area of greatest interest within the town is well paved and is easily explored on foot. The old city today is already a mixture of classic architecture and modern shops, retaining its charm and is totally pleasant to walk around. Aside from the city's charming corners, one highlight is certainly Ettlingen Castle with its impressive Baroque garden. The castle is inspired by Baroque architecture in the center of Ettlingen, built in the early 18th century. It is a museum and a venue for different kinds of events. It contains a collection concerning local history and archaeology, a collection of regional artwork since 1900, particularly works by Karl Hofer, as well as a painting gallery. The Rose Garden is a little park established in 1998 in the grounds of the former Palace Gardens. In the summer season, it is full of blooming roses. Benches really invites you to sit down and relax. The town hall occupies the center point by the river and the main bridge, overlooking the wide market square. It was built in 1737 with some changes in the 19th century. In the market square, there is a beautiful Renaissance fountain that is preserved. This area is quite busy with many small shops and of old and new buildings. The market square is connected with the palace through a series of small squares. There is a town gate from the bridge across the Alp. A unique feature that is added in the bridge is the statue of Saint Nepomuk, which stands and guards the bridge behind the town hall. There are many romantic spots in the narrow lanes along the river and in the squares to discover, and many outdoor cafes for a rest. The street next to the river is like a promenade walk, not very long but still stunning. The bridges offer more views and are ornated with blooming flowers. Picture-perfect views can also be found from behind the Church of St. Martin. Ettlingen presents itself culturally varied and with pronounced diversity. Its old town testifies the truth and bears the legacy. A charming area with narrow streets, half-timbered houses, and quaint shops and cafes. Visitors can wander through the streets, take in the sights and sounds, and stop for a coffee or a bite to eat. There are many reasons to visit Ettlingen. For history buffs, the town offers a glimpse into the past with its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the impressive Ettlingen Castle. Art lovers will appreciate the numerous galleries and exhibitions that showcase the work of local artists. And for foodies, Ettlingen's culinary cuisine is not to be missed, with its traditional German cuisine and international flavors. From historic sites and cultural attractions to stunning natural landscapes, there is something for everyone to enjoy. The uniqueness and identity of this historic old town proves its value for a worthy visit. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!